Good news, my kitty, my cat is pregnant. My cat is pregnant, guys. Don't show your bottom to the people them.
From a Dan B, everything Chris. Make sure you no miss this. Laugh and have a good time. All our vibes. I did Dan B this. Dan B share happiness. Or we can discuss serious topics. Like, comment, subscribe. All our vibes. You need it. It's the Dan B.
This is a quick video about my cat that is preggo. Alright, so something short and spicy, nothing long. So I wasn't home for 2 days, and when I came back, my mom told me that my cat is pregnant and that the neighbor says that my cat is pregnant. My neighbor is a cat person. So comes my yard of whole heap of cat, right? So she said she's pregnant. I'm like, what? My cat pregnant? Sarah flash her tears. Really? Come here, kitty. Nobody lay down. Nobody lay down. She gonna lay down. Anyways, I'm super excited. You guys are not gonna see everything. We're not gonna see. Remember when we do one story time? I telling us say, how I how I watched when the cat was giving birth when I was younger. This time, me I go put it on live. Me I go make gonna see everything. Hopefully, I am there when she's giving birth. It's gonna be sad because this cat won't be in a very comfortable space like the previous cat we did the under me closet. This so I give birth. I don't know which part she gonna give birth. Right now she asleep. Just take the pictures so you can see her. She asleep. And some everywhere she go, once she decide on me, she always lay down. I don't know if it's because of the belly or whatever. But yeah. I would want you guys to see how she looks. Come here. She sleeping on me. I get up, me I wake her up. That ever happened to me to have a nice comfortable sleep on no matter call on them. Come here to me. Come here. Guys, the belly fat. The belly fat, the belly fat, the belly fat. Come here now. Kitty. Kitty. Come here. Come here. Come. See her now? With her paw. Like she wants to scrap me up. Come here. Alright. I'm not supposed to hold her up, you know, because she's preggo. But I want to see her belly. Can I show them your belly? Can I show them belly? Show them your belly. I'm not chopping, I'm not chopping. We just want them to see your belly. But yeah, just an update. She's pregnant. So, I don't want to see. I'm gonna just put clips of her. Any old clips I have of my cat. I'm gonna just randomly take. So this video is just about the cat. You understand? So, yeah. Right now she a pearl tail. No, take out something out of your eye. She won't sleep on me and bother her. Oh God. But I go up on my face. Because right now you're for bed, but that's true. You carry kittens and all those stuff. I ain't gonna trouble you. on, them see your belly. Come down, make sure them see your belly. Come down, make them see your belly. I'm not gonna see her belly. No, but I lay down. Not lay down yet. Not lay down. So the floor dirty, but whatever. I'm dirty as well. So you see the belly and our nipples them well up. I always a trouble her on her belly, but she not like it because as you know, she pregnant. I go show her close up. Can I take out this out of your eyes? Can I? Can I take it out of your eyes? Put in your tongue. 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 Tell them hi. Your dirty eye them. Your eye them want clean. Dirty eye. And if you can't hear her purr, watch me view them how them stand up. And bye, kitty. Tell them bye. 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 So in the bowl, chicken, but KFC chicken skin. KFC chicken skin too fatty. I mean, love the barbecue, so of course I take it off and offer it to her because she love it. So yeah, don't judge, please. Come at that. Daniel, we have chicken skin. Yeah, can you never did it for me offer it to you, miss or sir? Sure. Finish? You finish? Finish it? Remember, come get some food.
And say, perfect wood place, man. Then I get
Hi, that yes. So this is today now, March 5, 2021, Friday. After me done do my work inside here and me look below. Now the post in my shoes. back out there, go check to see if she did it. She's still there. So I never want to wake her up because she always wander around me. Anyways, if you reach to the end of this video, put some cat emojis, cat emojis, cat emojis. Thank you so much for the love and the support, and don't forget to like if you do like this video. Also comment if you want more videos of me and the cat, if you're a cat person. If not, then that's okay. I still gonna post more of she. Come a little company. But anyways, thank you guys so much and happy Friday.